Understanding the phrase, "You're a star," in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase in English, "You're a star." We'll delve into its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand how to use it effectively in your daily conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, "You're a star," is a form of compliment or praise. It doesn't mean that someone is literally a star in the sky, but rather, it's a metaphorical way of saying someone is exceptional, outstanding, or has done something praiseworthy. It's often used to show appreciation or admiration for someone's efforts, skills, or achievements. Subsection 2.1. In appreciation of effort or skill. You can use, "You're a star," when someone has put in a great effort or shown a particular skill. For example, if a friend helps you solve a difficult problem, you might say, "Thanks for your help. You're a star." Subsection 2.2. In professional and casual settings. This phrase is versatile and can be used in both professional and casual settings. In a professional context, it might be used to commend an employee or a colleague. In a more casual context, it can be used among friends or family members. 1. After a successful event, "Great job on organizing the conference, you're a star." 2. In a casual setting, "You made dinner for everyone? You're a star." 3. In a professional email, "Thank you for your prompt response, you're a star." While "you're a star" is widely understood in English-speaking countries, it's always good to be aware of cultural nuances. In some cultures, direct compliments like this can be seen as excessive. Also, there are variations of this phrase like, "She's a shining star," or "He's a rising star," which have similar but slightly different connotations. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, "You're a star." Remember, it's a wonderful way to express gratitude and admiration towards someone. Keep practicing your English, and soon, you might just have someone saying to you, "You're a star," for your impressive language skills. Until next time, keep learning and shining.